Well, you never think it's going to happen to you. It is something that's the last thing on your mind. And I remember the day that I was told I had cancer and my whole world stood still. But I remember walking out of my office and saying, I've got to activate that critical illness and I'm serious. Um, it was probably one of the most comforting things knowing that I could look after myself. I ended up having two cancers and my world was like an avalanche. I couldn't even get my feet underneath me. I couldn't get my head straight. It can break apart a family, it can break apart a relationship if you are struggling financially in a situation that's so awful. Um, the the disability doesn't kick in for a few months, so the critical illness was essential. It was a huge relief. It was easy. I just called them and I just had to send in the pathology, and it was so straightforward. They were so nice. The disability was so straightforward. They eased me back into work. They knew how tired I would be, more than I did. The medical insurance for my drugs I had just bought, and I ended up having about $30,000 worth of non-covered drugs. It was a relief on my family. I could take the amount of time off work to heal myself, and I don't think I could have gone back to heal other people without healing myself first. And I teach that to my patients now, that you have to look after yourself first. The other thing to remember is that it's very difficult for me to get insurance now. That this is a fairly life-changing situation, and to have got my insurance when I did is more than lucky. I thank my lucky stars I did everything I did. You just don't think it's going to happen to you, but my God, thank God I did.